Today I'm going to be showing you how to install the bin web. Install the ring clips to the front outer edge of the bin. Thread the cord onto the bin handle. Long one side, short the other. It's important that the metal swage stays at the bin handle. Using the provided hook, fish out the loop. Thread the latch and wait through the loop, and make sure to pull tight in the center of the bin. Attach the latch to the bin bracket. To engage, lift one bungee cord, preferably the one without the knot, over the lid. Run the long cord through the bungee, then the short cord through the long. Lift and secure cord under latch. When placed in the bin, make sure the ring clips face the road.